Best wood chipper for bamboo. We review top 5 best wood chipper for bamboo. SuperHandy Home Wood Chipper. SuperHandy's mini wood chipper is powerful enough to handle most home mulching applications, including leaves and twigs or branches up to 3 inches in diameter. This gas-powered chipper reduces mulch to a 15:1 ratio, has wheels for increased transportability, an adjustable chute, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. WEN Wood Chipper. Capable of shredding and chipping branches and twigs up to 1.5 inches wide with its 15-amp motor. This WEN Wood Chipper was described by customers as being great value for money. Other features include 2 7-inch metal blades that can easily be sharpened or replaced, and a reduction ratio of 17:1, one of the highest available for personal use. Wearing protective gloves is most definitely advised when using this machine to avoid injury from stray flying debris. Sunjoe Electric Wood Chipper. This electric Sunjoe wood chipper is excellent for light-duty mulching around the home or garden. With a 16:1 ratio, 1.5-inch maximum branch diameter, 14-amp motor, and 2-year warranty. This wood chipper is an all-around great tool for maintaining a garden and keeping it clear of debris. Sunjoe Bamboo Wood Chipper. Ideal for bamboo that has grown out of control. The Sunjoe wood chipper has a strong enough motor to help you effectively tackle this invasive grass. A locking feature prevents the motor from working while disassembled, while the 21:1 ratio will reduce even the smallest twigs to nutrient-rich mulch. This unit works well for sticks that are 1.5 inches in diameter. And one satisfied customer described that this chipper made my job of disposing of the cut bamboo easy. Earthquake Wood Chipper Shredder. With 2 separate hoppers for smaller and larger cutting applications. The gas-powered Earthquake Wood Chipper/Shredder is especially useful for medium-duty chipping jobs. The airless wheels make this 140-pound tool easy to transport anywhere it's needed most. And it is also compatible with a vacuum and tow bar kit, both sold separately. Chips branches up to 3 inches and is excellent for shredding twigs, leaves, and garden debris,